All right, boys and girls, today we have one of these great automatic battery chargers. It worked for about 2 weeks and stopped working. So now I have a test battery. It's not fully charged, but we have some voltage there. So it was sensing the battery was there, but it wasn't actually charging the battery. It wasn't boosting it. It wasn't doing anything. It wasn't doing it in any mode. It didn't matter. It didn't matter. So I took it apart. Self-explanatory there. Screws galore. And what I found was I had voltage. Now you can only test this while it's connected to a battery or it won't be charging. So you kind of got to do this on the fly. Now I do not recommend opening this thing up. That's like a welding transformer. But this is really the only way to do this. So as a seasoned electrician, I doubt those things are 80 amps. They're an inch square. No thanks. What I did was I connected a 10 wire from that lead, which comes down from the rectifier on the transformer, connected it from there, and I wrapped it around, and I went over here. And that's the output. So what we're gonna do is let's see if she works. So wet or AGM? It is a wet cell. Set function. We want it to do 10 amps. Okay? Resting voltage is at 1252. It senses the batteries there, so we press the start button. Then it goes to checking, and we'll see what goes on here. So it's definitely working. All right. All right, boys and girls. Now, I can't tell you if the reverse polarity and all the safeties on this silly thing are going to work after this, but I could tell you that it is going to work after this. It's going to be able to charge your batteries, and you're going to be able to use it. When you're troubleshooting this thing, and you have it connected to a semi-dead battery, just about everything in there is live, either with 12 volts or with 120 volts. So use an abundance of caution if you're going to go in there. Otherwise, that simple little thing got this thing working. That simple little thing. And I really feel these automatic battery chargers are the dumbest thing. The dumbest thing. But what are you going to do? All right, boys and girls. Hopefully this helped you with your battery charger and your project. And good luck. Thank you for watching.